This guy's got neck pain and we're gonna fix it.
Prostate exam.
Well, if you're lucky, with some biofreeze, we can make that happen for you.
You got the gloves on, you're moving up.
Gotta get you ready for golf week tomorrow.
Yeah.
All loose. Little singling down there.
I moved down because I thought we were doing the thing that we usually do after the hips.
Finish with that.
Ain't never gonna end. Oh, but I'll be alright as long as there's light from a neon moon. Oh, if you lose your one and only, there's always room here for the lonely.
What prostate exam doctor?
Prostate exam doctor who sings while doing prostate exams.
Oh, yeah.
It's a 90s country. If that doesn't go viral, I don't know what would.
Yeah,
Alright, a little pressure right here. Drop that right shoulder.
Ooh.